Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for clicking on to watch this video. I'm gonna try to be as quick and fast and informative as I can. So today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the new Makeup Revolution collaboration with Dana Alturwairsh. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name correctly. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. I don't want to offend anyone by mispronouncing things. So this is the eyeshadow palette, but I got the straw palette as well, but I think I'll do another super quick video reviewing that, so this video not gonna be as long. So we're gonna be reviewing this palette and creating a makeup look. So far I absolutely don't know what to expect, as a still seal in the original, you know, that plastic seal that you get on the top. Literally I have no clue if it's any good or, so I'm just gonna, without any further ado, open this up. To begin with, I always say this every time I'm reviewing anything from Makeup Revolution, is I absolutely love a brand, and I love it is super affordable, cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. And all the new Makeup Revolution products, the quality and everything just goes. Let's talk about this palette. So to begin with, this little box. How beautiful is this? Rose marble imitation. Really loving it. What do you guys think of this? Just the box itself, I mean, what? So you get in this little box 22 colors. And it costs only £10. So just for that reason, it's amazing. Already thumbs up. Open this box up and see how the actual eyeshadow looks like. This looks amazing. So far, I love the packaging. Oh, we get the brush as well. Usually brushes are, oh, this one is actually not bad. What I meant to say is usually brushes that comes with any eyeshadow palette are kind of worthless. I kind of like this. And the colors, and what I can see, you can create nice like smoky eyes using these colors, and you can create so many daytime looks using the rest of it. Yeah, very versatile palette. Loads of mattes actually, and we have 1, 2, 3 like pressed metallic ones, and then 2 shimmers in here. So if you have hooded eyes like I do, I think this palette is amazing so far, because mattes are your best friends, girls. So I think without any further ado, we should do a few swatches. Let's start from this lighter color called beige. Ain't bad, very pigmented. Let's try #7, kind of very pink color, because it reflects all the light, so I'm not sure if you see colors properly. Oh, look at this color. Love it. Usually light colors doesn't swatch the best, so maybe let's do this color called Sorbet. It actually, okay, swatches properly, because lighter colors, as I mentioned, usually doesn't swatch the best, and you need to work with them more to actually pop the color. Yeah, here you go, guys. Wow. Okay, let's swatch something else. Maybe let's swatch this shimmer one, which is called D. Oh, that's like a pure highlighter to me. Don't know what you guys think. Wow, you know what else I want to try? I thought it's a black, but they call this color brunette, so I guess it's just a dark brown. It is actually dark brown. When swatching, you can see that it's not black, it's a dark brown. So super pigmented. I think without any further ado, let's create a makeup look. So we're gonna start from the transition color, and I think we're gonna use a color called Brulee. And I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution crease eyeshadow brush. So I already prepped my eyelids, so I'm gonna go straight away with the eyeshadow. By prepping my eyelids, I mean I applied concealer and then a setting powder over it. First thing, I'm going with this color higher than my crease is. So you can have your eyes open for this. You guys, this is very pigmented, just saying. I wasn't expecting that. So I'm dragging color a little bit more to the outer corners. Not concentrating much on being like super tidy or anything. If you watch my videos, you probably know how much I love the technique of a wet wipe. So I mean, after I'm done with my makeup, I'm just gonna clean the sides to create the shape I want. So it's super handy if you have heavier hand like me. By the way, I'm super excited to be reviewing this palette, and I'm gonna be super honest as I always are with my old videos, but I'm super excited about this particular video because it's the first time ever Makeup Revolution actually sent me their products. They didn't ask for a review video or anything, they just sent me their products, which is I'm really grateful for that. So thank you so much, Makeup Revolution. Although if I'm not gonna like this palette, I'm still gonna tell you that, guys, as I always do. So let's add a little bit of the sorbet that we swatched before. Gonna add a little bit of a darker color closer to where the crease is. I'm gonna go with the #7. And dragging everything to the outer corner. As I said, I'm leaving that part a little bit messy because I'm gonna tidy up later. So I'm taking a clean brush and gonna blend these colors together. So I'm gonna quickly clean up the cut crease part. So I'm using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C1 for that. Alright, so it looks so far as a hot mess, but trust me, we're gonna fix it all up. It's all part of the idea. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go with a colorful latte on outer corners. And dragging it a little bit to the crease. So I want the outer corner to be slightly bit darker, so I'm gonna go with a color called Brunette just on the very outer corner, and then what's left on the brush gonna blend more to this color what we just applied. And then blending the colors together. Alright, let's move on to the middle. I'm gonna use my finger for this at first and later blend it. So this color called Danita. And going in an eye corner and the middle, basically the place where we still don't have the eyeshadow on. This looks beautiful. Color, that shimmer, I'm liking it so far, you guys. Okay, let's clean up the fallouts and the outer corners. Just taking a facial wet wipe, wiping all the fallouts of my face. I like to wrap it around my finger because that gives me a little bit more precision. I always do this. If you watch my videos, you've seen me doing that a million times probably. But if you're new to my channel, so here you go. Just wrap around your finger and gently clean up the outer corner. Just make as such as you wish or as gentle as you wish. It's all up to you. I think we should do the lower lash line next and then decide if we need a little bit of liner. I kind of want to do a tiny bit of like a graphic liner just in a eye corner, just in here. A lower lash line. Let's start from the inner eye corner first. So I'm gonna go with a color called Sorbet. And kind of applying that till the middle. And then I'm gonna go with a color called Latte, the one that we used before, on the outer corner of the lower lash line. So kind of meets this wing part of it with it. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the foundation and I'm gonna come back to use to finish off the eye look. And the foundation is on. As I mentioned, I'm really tempted to do a little like a graphic eyeliner part in the eye corner. So for that, I'm gonna go with this eyeshadow palette because we're reviewing that, so why not? And this dark brown color called Brunette. Just gonna get a wet brush. So I'm taking this eyeliner brush by Makeup Revolution. Gonna spray it with a setting spray. This one is Urban Decay The Slick. And dip into the eyeshadow. It's not gonna ruin your eyeshadow, anything like that. I did that loads of times. Gonna go very close to my lash line. As you see, I'm going all the way through till this darker part. and then I'm gonna do the inner eye corner. So for the inner eye corner, I'm gonna use this tiny detail brush by Real Techniques, sprayed with a setting spray once again, so it's nice and wet, so we'll pick up the color better. Taking the same color brunette. Drawing kind of like a little triangle. I really hope you guys are able to see what I'm doing in here. One more thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the color called D, so it's just a shimmery color, and kind of brighten my inner eye corner. So I'm going just around this eyeliner but with it. So the eyes are nearly complete. We just need to apply mascara and or falsies. I'm gonna go for both today, I think, but it's totally up to you guys if you like just mascara look, so just go with mascara, you know. So for my mascara, I'm gonna go with my absolute favorite at the moment. You've probably seen me using this in all of my recent videos. I purchased this like 5 times already, I think. And I'm gonna use the Mascara Shield. I spoke about this in my previous videos. This is from Primark. I have a super heavy hand and I always make mess while applying the mascara, so this is like a lifesaver to me, guys. I want to add a little bit of a falsie, so I'm gonna go with the Magnetic Accents by Ardell. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? Alright, so my verdict for this eyeshadow palette, it's super affordable, £10 for 22 colors, which is so super pigmented, you guys. You seen me first touch went like, whoa. Later needed to be a little bit more careful with how much product I pick up on the brush. The packaging is amazing, but as I always say in my old review videos, the packaging doesn't matter as long as the product works. So it's like a double plus, it's amazing packaging and the product is amazing too. So thumbs up from me for this eyeshadow palette. Definitely recommend, and I'll be definitely using this in the future. What do you guys by the way think of this eyeshadow look? Leave a comment down below, let me know, would you wear it? So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this review tutorial video and you found it helpful. If so, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I can't stress enough how important it is if you would press that button and subscribe to my channel. Honestly guys, I would love you forever. And yeah, leave a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next on my channel, and I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Ciao for now guys.